In order to do any enlargement, we do need a centre, and the centre in this case has been given as 3,7. So across to 3, up to 7, that's my centre. Next thing, we would draw ray lines going from the centre to each point, each corner point in that shape. Now, in the first case, if we've got a positive enlargement, it's always away from the shape. Because it's a negative one, we need to go back on ourselves. So there's no need to go this way because it's a negative enlargement. So when I look at the second one, no need to go this way. I may as well just go behind the centre. Likewise with this one, behind the centre. So they are called the ray lines. Next thing, the scale factor is -1/2. So if I look at this point here, it was 2 across and 2 down. So it was 2 units away from the centre. If I times it by -1/2, I get -1. So instead of going 2 across and 2 down, I go 1 back and 1 up. So that point there is where that moves to. Repeat this with this one. That one is also 2 across, but it is 4 down. Now if I times 4 by -1/2, I get -2. So basically, it does go 1 back like before, but instead of going 1 up, it goes 2 up. And you know if you're right, because it should lie on the ray line you draw. And it does. This one here is now here. Finally, though, you can see whereabouts the solution is going to be, but just to double check, this one goes 2 forward and it goes 4 down. Well, as I said, that means we go, instead of 2 forward, I go 1 back, and instead of 4 down, I go 2 up. Sure enough, it takes me to where I thought it was. If I join up, you can see that the triangle is now half the size. The minus implies that it is behind the centre instead of in front of the centre.